If I give you 1 million naira right now, what would you do with it? Don't lie. Some of you are already thinking, first step, Instagram boutique. But that's the problem. You see, money without sense is like akara without pepper. It's gonna be flat, tasteless, and kind of useless. But let me shock you. The smartest and the best thing you can buy with your money is not iPhone 16, is not car, not even crypto. It is land. So today I'm gonna be talking about why land is not just a good investment, but the best investment anyone could do. In fact, after this video, you'll be asking yourself, why didn't I start buying land just today? One thing about land is this: they are not manufacturing it in China. No. Land is limited. God created it on the seventh day and went to rest. Meanwhile, population keeps growing. That means that demand keeps rising, but supply is not. Think about it. Every estate you see today was once bush. But bush no dey remain forever. Once road enters, you see the way the value just skyrocket, jump, ticket. Now, let's compare land to other investments. If you buy a car, every day mechanic will chop your money. That one is a known. If you buy a house, tenants will frustrate your destiny. But if you buy a land, you see, land does not spoil, it does not complain, it doesn't need repainting. You can do whatever you want to do. You can go and sleep, do anyhow you want, travel, your land still remains there. Land is just like that quiet child in the family. Doesn't give wahala, doesn't like stress either. But one day you will just realize that this person has become one of the most successful person. Do you know the land that was selling for 200,000 naira in Lekki Phase 1 in 2001 right now is worth over 150 million naira? And if your dad had bought it then, had bought one then, you won't be here watching on YouTube now. You'll be in Dubai enjoying your life. True of us, true normally. And that's the beauty of land. It appreciates like fine wine. In fact, land does not appreciate. Even if bush covers it, it's still a bush. And one day it will turn to gold. Trust me. You see, land is like noodles. It has many recipes. You can farm on it, you can build on it, you can lease it, or even hold to sell later. Unlike that your designer handbag, once it is removed from the nylon, see, land keeps giving you options. Another sweet thing about land is that you don't always need to be Dangote before you can afford or buy land. There are areas you can start with small money. Today it looks like bush, but in 10 years' time, it will be called prime location. Ask people who bought land in Ojuleki 10 years ago. Of course, they're all smiling like they just married Rihanna. But that's land for you. You see inflation. Inflation is a thief. Money in your bank account is like a car in the sun. It will shrink. But land, when prices rise, land price rises even the more. That means that when people are complaining that Gary has gone up, one side smiling because you know that your plot has doubled in. And let's not forget, land is not just for you. It's the kind of gift you can pass to your children, down to your great grandchildren. That's why many rich families stay rich because they don't pass down liabilities, they pass down land, which is an investment anyone would want. So the lesson is very simple. If you want peace of mind, if you want wealth that grows, and you want inheritance that lasts, stop flexing your money up and down. Buy land. Land is life, land is freedom, land is power. Remember, whether you're buying land for living, investing, or just to keep, one thing is sure, that you will thank yourself tomorrow for the land you bought today. So, are you gonna keep on chopping your money, enjoying it and how you want? Or you will start building generational wealth with land? Choose wisely. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, share to someone you know. See you next time. Bye for now.